everybody, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny and welcome back to my kitchen. You know, it's been a long time since I added to my recipes to make when you're broke playlist. And I found one the other day that I had completely forgotten about. And I wanted to share it with y'all because times are tough right now for a lot of folks. I'm very, very blessed because Poppy is still working. But for those of you who are in a pickle, this is one of the cheapest meals that I can think of. Now, this is canned corned beef. Corned beef briskets at the store, I just looked on Walmart.com and they are between $10 and $14 for one small brisket about this big. Now, when it cooks, it shrinks a lot. Corned beef briskets do that. So you could probably shred one and pack it into a can this size for $10 to $14. This can of Libby's corned beef was $4.88 at Walmart. This can of Great Value corned beef was $2.98. This cabbage right here was $2.02. That's $5 right there for a complete meal. This one is $6.90. So let me show y'all how I do this. I am boiling some potatoes. Whatever you want to add to your meal is just extra money. This is about 1/3 of a bag of potatoes, so that would have cost maybe $1.25. Of course, you got to buy the whole bag to get 1/3 of a bag, and that's going to be about $3.69. I'm going to turn the stove on medium, and we'll get this stuff cut up. Kind of dice it. Now I'm going to take this bit of butter here, and just a little bit of vegetable oil to keep the butter from burning. Put it in my pan. I'm going to let the cabbage get mostly done. Turn it down just a little. I'm going to take these potatoes and drain them. And now I'm going to turn this back burner on, about medium, a little bit lower than that. Pour some grease in there, or oil. And once that starts heating up, I'm going to fry those boiled potatoes so they're crispier and yummier. Pour a lot of pepper in there. I like a lot of pepper. Y'all know that if you watch my channel. And I'm going to put some salt in. Now, you don't need a lot of salt with this because that canned meat has a ton of sodium in it. This doesn't take very long to cook. It just depends on how you like your cabbage. Some people like it really, really soft. Some people like it kind of al dente, which is the way I like it. I like it to have a little bit of a crunch to it. Okay, this is as cooked as I want it before I add the corned beef. And all you do, I'm going to use the Great Value brand because I've never tried it before, to see if there's a taste difference. You know, sometimes when times are tough, it doesn't matter what it tastes like, as long as you go to bed with your belly full. And I've been there. See, it comes with this key, and you just twist it around until you get to the end, and then you pull the lid off like this. And what I'm going to do is just take it and slice it with the fork in chunks. Y'all, there's really enough here to feed a family of 4. But I do want to warn you, be super careful with this container, because when you take that key and run it around there, this is so sharp it'll cut your finger off and you won't even know it's missing. And I'll tell you another dish you can make that's super cheap along the same lines. take your potatoes, boil them or not, dice them up, put them in a skillet, fry them, and when it's just about done, put you a can of that corned beef in there, and you've got corned beef hash. You can eat it for dinner. You can put it with some eggs. You can eat it by itself and add some corn on the cob, whatever you want to do with it. But it's actually a complete meal as well. Now look, see that great big watermelon back there? If you are not subscribed to my channel, please take a minute and do that and hit the notification bell. I'm about to do something with that watermelon that will change your life. I promise. It's good. So, I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. You'll see it in my next video if you hit that notification bell. So, this is dinner, y'all. You've got corned beef, you've got fried potatoes, and you've got some cabbage. And it tastes delicious. Salt, pepper, onion powder. That's it. And oh my goodness, I can't wait to take a bite of that potato. Look, y'all have a great evening, and I'll see you again real soon. All right?